Any team, individual, or product is a sum of its parts, a combination of elements, time, energy, and willpower, molding itself into form. Ellwood Close Die Group has taken shape over 108 years. Our elements, sourced from the highest quality. Our time, spent refining the world's leading methods. Our energy, shaping the world we live in. And our willpower, thrusting us to the forefront of the industry. Reliably delivering complete solutions for aerospace, construction, defense, mining, power generation, and oil and gas, forging, heat treating, machining, welding. This is ECDG. Find out how what we know can help you.